Hi, I'm Jan, and in this video I'll show you the first steps and information you need to get started with your marketplace. If you have an existing marketplace, go there right now to follow me. And if you don't have one, you can get a free demo on our website. It's basically the same platform that you get when you subscribe to a plan. The link is down there. So strap in and let's get started. Alright, this is the main admin dashboard. We're constantly refining it to make it as convenient as possible, so your dashboard may look a little different if you have the latest version. But the menus and settings are exactly the same. I personally know what it feels like to open a new dashboard for the first time. It's always a little overwhelming. If that's the case, there's a help section right here with all the information you need about the current dashboard page. Consult it whenever you're lost. Almost everything you need to know is right here. Now to the dashboard. It consists of three main elements: the footer panel, the general settings menus, and the marketplace workflow menus. The footer panel allows you to quickly switch between the storefront, admin dashboard, and seller dashboard. In storefront mode, it has basic tools for playing around with the design, so you can easily make minor adjustments right here without having to go back to the admin dashboard. The marketplace settings menus are used to manage the global settings of your marketplace. In the add-ons menu, you'll find a list of all your installed add-ons, which you can toggle on and off, and even uninstall. You can also manually install new add-ons. This menu also has the list of third-party add-ons available in our add-ons market. And you can go to the market directly from here. The administration menu contains global marketplace management settings. This is where you set up payment and shipping options. There's also a super important feature, data import and export, including product import. It also contains some technical settings such as backup, logs, and cache. There's nothing special about the settings menu, it's just general settings for different aspects of the marketplace. For example, it contains company information, security settings, checkout behavior settings, and so on. Be sure to explore it. The design menu is the one you want to explore more. It contains tools for configuring the look and feel of the storefront. There are two main tools: a theme editor and a layout editor. The former allows you to change colors, fonts, backgrounds, and the overall style of the storefront. The latter is for moving content blocks around. This is really cool for quickly testing how different layouts affect your metrics and sales. You can also use this menu to change the entire theme to a different one. Let's take a quick look at the marketplace workflow menus. The menu names speak for themselves. The orders menu allows you to view, manage, and manually create new orders. Sales reports and shipment creation are also here. The products menu is all about catalog management. This is where you create, delete, and edit all products and their properties, such as options, features, and variations. In the Customers menu, you can see and manage all marketplace users, admins, sellers, and customers. There's also a cool user group feature where you can set what users can and cannot do on your marketplace. There's also the Message Center, where all the communication between marketplace users takes place. For example, if a customer asks a seller something, the message goes right here with a notification. The marketing menu contains tools to increase sales, such as promotions, newsletters, and so on. To learn more about this menu, go to it and open the help section. The website menu is where you manage your website content, such as blog, pages, and reviews. It's basically a built-in CMS. And finally, the vendors menu, an important one. It has settings to manage your sellers. For example, there's a section for setting up vendor plans that help you make more money. Remember, to explore any part of the dashboard more deeply, go to that part and open the help section. It will show you everything you need to know about the page you're viewing. Now let's take a look at the vendor dashboard. You can switch to it using the footer switch panel. This is how your sellers see their dashboards. There's an onboarding checklist for them, steps to get started. It's configurable. At the left, there are all the menus to process orders, manage the catalog, view accounting, and so on. Let's see how a seller can add new products to sell. There are two ways to upload products. Either a seller uploads products manually, one by one or in bulk, or imports many products at once from a file. Product import is preferred if a seller has more than 100 products because it saves a load of time. All the sellers need to do is upload a CSV or XML file with product data, check if the fields in the file correspond to the ones in CS cart, and start the import process. So there is still a non-answered question: what should you start from? The answer is start from the Marketplace Setup Wizard. Here it is at the top. It will guide you through the initial steps of setting up your marketplace, like filling the company profile for credibility, selecting a commission model and the way to work with sellers, and so on. 5 simple steps in sum. The Marketplace Setup Wizard greatly simplifies the onboarding process and lets you start your business quicker. Once you have completed the Setup Wizard, try going through the entire ordering process. Create a vendor, a category, a product, a payment option, and a shipping option. Then sign up as a customer and try to place an order. This will help you learn a seller and a customer path in your marketplace and become more familiar with how the system works. Alright, I hope this short video gave you a better understanding of what to start from once you have your marketplace up and running. This is really just a tip of the iceberg, but it's a solid point to start exploring CS-Cart further. It has much more to pleasantly surprise you. Feel free to contact our customer care team via help desk if you have any questions or difficulties. If you already have your marketplace live, I sincerely congratulate you and wish you all the best with your venture. And if you're only on the planning stage, check out a free CS-Cart online demo and get onboarded. The link is down there.